Okay, so if we're finding the average speed for runner B, first we need to identify the points for runner B. That should have been green. So I'm coming back for runner B, who I've highlighted right here, their section in pink. So runner B from 9 to 20 seconds is at 9:120 and 22:13. So again, still starting at 9:120, but ending at 22:13. Okay, so just like last time, I want to identify my y's. So if I go to set those up to subtract, I've got 213 minus 120. Since I started off with 213, I have to make sure I start off with 20 minus 9. I don't want to accidentally get a negative speed because that wouldn't make any sense. All right, so I got 213 minus 120, which gives me 93. All right, so this is going to be a little bit different. So 93 divided by 11, go ahead and round to the nearest hundredth. It's going to give me about 8.45 meters per second for runner B. So who has the fastest average speed? So think about it. Speed. Do we want a lower number or a higher number? Well, we want to know who goes fast. So definitely runner B has the higher average speed. Hopefully that makes sense. So let's finish it up. Which runner wins the race? How do you know? Well, I want to know just by looking at the table, can I tell who wins the race? Here we got to come back to the beginning. We are running a 400-meter race. My table only goes up to 287 meters. So I'm not given any values beyond that. I don't have enough information because they're running at different rates at different times. So I don't have enough information to figure out the 400 meters. So now I need to come back to my graph. Well, my graph does show me where they are at 400 meters. So from here, I just need to pay attention and say, okay, runner A, what you got going on? So at 400 meters, at how many seconds? Well, we don't know exactly, but let's see. We'll estimate maybe like at about 38 seconds. So now look and see, well, how long did it take runner B to get to that 400 meters? Well, if we look down here, follow down our x-axis, about 50 seconds. So who finishes first? Am I looking at the lower number or the higher number? Because I'm thinking racing. Don't I want a bigger number? Well, if we look, it's all about who finishes faster. So who's finishing the race at the faster time? Runner A at 38 seconds. So runner A is our winner. Okay, well, you guys go ahead if you have time, start working on your homework. If not, you should finish up day 9 for homework tonight. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.